I will tell you that as humans, we are far more intrinsically motivated, so internally motivated to avoid pain than we are to seek pleasure. So that's a quirk of human nature. We will do more to avoid pain than we will to seek pleasure. So you might want to think about that, get into your S&M kind of style. Keeping learning, that kind of plays into what Maddie was saying as well about changing things around. It's that sense of not stagnating. That's important. Remind myself of the end goal, financial freedom. Keep reminding yourself of that. I do that every day. Look at my goals. Here's where I'm shooting for. I find that very, very motivating. I will tell you that somebody said to me a long, long time ago now, that when I was talking about motivation with one of my coaches, they said to me, do you imagine that a surgeon wakes up every day wanting to do surgery? And I was like, well, actually, come to think of it, I do. But that would be crazy because clearly they wouldn't wake up every day wanting to do surgery. What about a fireman or woman? Do you imagine every day they are motivated to go and walk into a building and put out a life-threatening fire? Well, probably not. Probably not. There's probably some days they're like, I don't know what it is. Today, I just don't want to risk my life. Okay. They probably have that going on too. Okay. And so what I've come to realize about motivation is that you can kind of hack it a little bit. And the way that I find I can hack it is with tiny little action, a tiny little action. Like if I don't feel like doing something on a particular day, and I have those days, absolutely, then I say to myself, well, Neil, and it's a mantra I've got, something is better than nothing. Doing just even a little tiny thing is better than doing nothing at all. And so I'll just do that one little thing that needs to get done. I'll just do that. And I find that if I do that, the very, very action of doing something, I find that creates motivation. Because once I've done the little thing, I'll go, yeah, while I'm here, I'll just do it. And then before I know it, I'm doing all the things. Okay. So I find that personally a really good simple hack. And it's just a little mantra. Something is better than nothing. Like going to the gym. Like some days I really don't feel like working out. And I'll go, I'll just do that thing. I'll just stretch. And before I know it, I'm working out. And so I find that a useful kind of little psychological hack. It's action comes before motivation. And actually, I find that with behavior as well. Like if I really don't want to do something, I'm not feeling great about going and doing it. If I just go and do the action of that, I kind of trick myself into feeling that way about it. You know what I mean? Like if I wake up, I'm not especially happy. Well, if I start just kind of mussing up my dogs and having fun with my dogs, the action of that actually just creates the happiness inside me. That was a video from my regular Monday night session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of e-commerce professionals right around the world, making sales on Amazon, on eBay, on Shopify, all sorts of different places, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. There's 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce professionals in Australia right now. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and also come and join us, of course, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.